How to fix CapCut could not load. Hello everyone, my name is Smile and in this video I'm gonna show you how you can fix the CapCut that could not load. So to do that, first of all make sure that you have installed the latest version of CapCut on your device, because sometimes it might be the problem of updation. If you have updated and installed the latest version, then you can simply open your CapCut. But if it still is not opening, then what you can do is long press on CapCut, tap on the eye icon on the top right side. You will see an interface like this. Scroll down and you will see the option of storage right here. Tap on the cache and you need to clear all the cache and clear all the data from here. After doing this, try to see if it works or not. So if it does not work, then you must see the storage of your phone, because too many apps on your phone can also lead to very slow uses of CapCut. So see the storage and uninstall your CapCut and the other devices. If your storage is slow, go on the Google Play Store and install your CapCut again and see if it works or not. This should solve your problem. If it does not, then you must go to the nearby shop where you can simply check your phone too. So I hope this helped you, and if you like the video, then please do thumbs up, subscribe, and also comment in the comment section below.